What?
Dude, I'm not intoxicated in any way, shape, or form.
We're ready.
Yeah, just a sec. I'm taking on a shirt. All right.
You're not ready naked? What?
Okay, I'm ready now. Okay, most important thing: keep stacked up on Ringo. If you don't stack, you children will die. So just remember that.
If they don't, they...
Remember, we'll call out the lightnings. Make sure you go to the correct one. If you by some mean go to the wrong one and you think you did, just call out if you need help. Some people might realize where you need to go. But most people should know what to do. Like, it shouldn't be rocket science. Oh, I died. Oh, I was in the wrong one. Fuck.
Can you get those?
Yeah,
Man, I'm a fucking god. I'm a fucking god, dude.
Oh, I
What?
got
Oh,
the
we got
achievement
both.
for the
We
challenge.
decided.
Dude,
Nice, we got
Dude,
the achievement finally.
I'm a fucking god. Like, I might be a bit
You may have died
intoxicated.
halfway through.
I might be a bit intoxicated. I might be a bit too drunk to actually
Breaks.
play Wildstar right now. But
Breaks.
we did
You
it.
died.
Okay.